Hello everyone. In this video we will be discussing about static storage class. Guys, static storage among the store actually we have four storage classes. Okay, automatic storage class. The second one is register storage class. Third one is static storage class, and the fourth one is external storage class. Among them, static storage class is very important, and in this video we will be discussing about the static storage class. Okay, so static storage class, very first whenever we are discussing, we have to look at this definition what we are written. Static storage class means the variable which is declared by using the static keyword is active between the function calls. Okay, so I will explain you with the help of the coding example. Just let us go to this code here. So I'm taking one variable, one function. The function name is, let me call it as laptop. What is the function name? Laptop. Okay. Normally we write int a equals to 12, like that we write variable. Right. So after that I'm going to write one step, a plus plus, and after that I'm going to print it. Printf percentage d backslash n comma a. So this is the function I have written. Laptop function is the written, where I have created a variable a integer type. I have assigned the value 12. So the value gets incremented. After that it is getting printed. So we know that until this laptop function is called from the main function, it won't get executed. Now let me call the laptop function from the main function. Laptop, like this. Let me execute the code first of all. What is the output I got it? 12, 13. How I got this 13? Initially we have given 12, a plus plus 13. So the 13 value will be printed. Assume that I am going to make a call to laptop function again. What is the output we are going to get? We are going to execute this function for how many times? 2 times. Right? So let us guess what is the output first of all. What is the output we are getting? 13, 13. Means what is happening? When you made a call to the laptop function for the first time, the a value which is initialized with 12 getting incremented here, it is becoming 13 and you are printing 13. That's it. Now again the control go back to the main function where you are calling to the laptop function again. Means you again this a value is getting initialized to 12 and it is getting incremented and it is becoming 13, and now you are printing. Now it is again 13. Means that's why we are getting the output. That's why we are getting the output 13 for 2 times. So assume that I am writing here static. Static keyword is to be applied there. Okay. Now this variable, integer variable, is said to be what? Static variable. Now see what is the output we are going to get. What is the output I got it? 13, 14. Wonder how we are getting this? I'll tell you. I will make a call to laptop function one more time, laptop, and see once more what is the output we are going to get. What is the output? 13, 14, 15. How we are getting this? If we are removing this static and see what is the output we are getting, 13, 13, 13. But when we apply static here, what is the output we are getting here? 13, 14, 15. That's the question, how we are getting that? 13, 14, 15. Why we are getting this output 13, 14, 15? How? I'll tell you. The static variable specialty is it will never die. It will never die. The value never dies between the function calls. I mean to say, when you made a call to laptop function for the first time, the a value is getting 12 and from 12 to 13 it is becoming and it is printing. Means the value is 13 now, a value, right? A value is 13. When you made a call to the laptop function one more time, again the variable of a will not be starting with 12, but it will be continuing from where it has stopped earlier. In the earlier stage where it has stopped 13, This step won't work anytime. One more time. Instead, increment directly it will go for increment. Means 13 will become what? 14. That's why your second output what you got is 14. And again you made a call to the laptop function, means again the a value will be continuing from where it has stopped last time. 14 is incremented. Now the value becomes 15. That's why you are going to get the output 13, 14, 15. This is what we are getting here. That is the specialty of static keyword. Now the question is, assume that I have not provided any value to that. What is the output we are going to get now? I have not initialized any value here. Earlier I have given 12. That's why 12 is becoming 13 and 13 will be printed. Next time 13 will be becoming 14. 14 will be printed. Next time 14 will be becoming 15 and 15 will be printed. 13, 14, 15 is the output we are getting. Now what I am telling is I am going to remove the value 12. Initialization is not there. What is the output we are going to get? Let us check. What is the output we got it? 1, 2, 3. How? What I want to say here is the default value, if you have not provided initialized any value of a variable which is static, the default value will be starting from 0. This is very important point to be remembered. The default value of a static variable is what? 0. Even you have not initialized it, it will start with 0. That's why very first 1 will be printed. Second time 1 is becoming 2. 2 is going to be printed. Third time 2 is becoming 3 and the 3 is printing. This is how the static keyword will work. For example, if I have like this, int b equals to 1. Okay, or let me write down b value as 10. Now I am writing here b plus plus. Now let me print \t %d \n and I am printing both a and b values. Observe here, a is static, which is not yet initialized, but you know the default value. What is the default value of a? The default value of a is 0, right? So but b is non-static, okay, it is initialized with 10. And see what is the output we are getting here. What is the output we are getting? 1. What is 1 here? A value is first printed. What is a? What is a here? Static variable, which is not initialized. Though it is not initialized, it will consider the default value as what? 0, right? Let me execute one more time. 0. Now you see here b is initialized with 10. After that a plus plus means 0 default value will become 1 here. That 1 will be printed, and b plus plus, this 10 will become 11. That's why the first line of output what we got is 1 and 11. A value is 1, b value is 11. And see here we are calling the laptop function for how many times? 3 times. First line of output is related to first time call you made. This one. Now you made a call to the laptop function for the second time. Now again the control will come to the function and see what is the second line of output I got it. 2 and 11. A value is 2 but b value is still 11. What is happening here? A value, I told you static, no? It will continue from where it has stopped last time. Where it has stopped at last time? 1. That 1 will become 2. That's why a value is 2. But b is non-static. That's why again b will start from 10. This 10 will be incremented to 11 and that 11 value is going to be printed here. And the third time when you made a call to laptop function, the a value from 2 it is becoming 3. That's why the output of a is 3 and b is non-static. That's why again it will start from 10 and it will become 11 and that 11 will be. A value is getting changed here but b value is not changing. B value is always initialized. From first step it will go. Whatever the changes you are doing, that is limited to at that time call only. It will die, the b value will die after completion of one time of execution of that function. Again, when you make a call to that function, again it will start from where you have written step. But static is not that. It will not die after completion of first time call. When you made a call to the same function again, the variable of a will be continuing from where it has stopped last time. That's why when increment is done, it is incrementing from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, not from again from 0. That is the difference of static variable and non-static variable. Hope you understand this static keyword use very much. This is very important, guys. Do remember and try to do more examples using static keyword. Okay, hope you understood what static keyword is. You can do any problems here by using static variable, but do remember what static variable is. That's it. When you make a call to the next time to the static variable, do remember that the value is continuing from where it has stopped. That's it. Hope you understand what static variable is. Thank you, guys.